Good afternoon. My name is Rebecca Nashilongo-Amunyela. I'm a farmer from Kunene region. I'm farming in Kamanyap, and I came all the way to Gobabis from Windhoek just to attend the financial management workshop. It is really a great honor and privilege for me to be here and to be capacitated. I came here with the expectation that the information I'm getting from here should at least help me to win my farming from my salary. I want to enjoy my salary, so the farming have to be self-sustainable. And I really got all the information. So I think I will be able to achieve my goal, because now I have got the knowledge on how I can run my business, how I can do my planning and budgeting. Of course, doing the farming is having challenges, but instead of me seeing the challenges as obstacles, I should rather see them as an opportunity for me to diversify and really reduce my cost on operation, so that I will be able to make a lot of output with little input. So after this workshop, I now know how I'm going to do my operational budgeting and production budgeting. I know how I'm going to prioritize my risk. I know how I'm going to manage my debt and beat the interest, so that I can even have some savings from my farming. Of course, with all the effort I have done with the help of the Agribank loan, I am now confident that even the products I'm going to give out to the market in the next 3 to 4 months are going to be of a good quality. I thank you.